Nandito si Balaga. May pa-order.
Oh yeah! Lang kahapon. For real, Palaka is coming. Wow! So nice.
Wow! Daming palara.
Yeah, where's the Palaka? Happy birthday!
What?
Nanay, birthday daw. Nilang nanay. Wala naman
Yes.
sino may birthday.
Si nanay.
Sheesh.
Ano nang gagawin mo?
Order lang kayo guys. Kung gusto nyo ng ganitong cake. Yan. Oh, perfect. Ay, mag-order lang kayo. Just
Yes.
PM and super mura, super customized. Okay, bye!